Welcome to this step-by-step guide to reinstall your Capella system after a complete reset. This guide is recommended for anyone who wants to repeat the installation from A to Z. We'll reset each device and show you how to pair your hub with your speakers and remote control, connect the system to your internet network, make the initial settings. We'll perform a complete reset of the Capella system. To reset the stereo hub, take a tool, such as a paperclip, and insert it into the reset socket on the stereo hub and hold it in place for a few seconds. The stereo hub will begin its factory reset. To completely reset your speakers, press and hold the pair button for 10 seconds. After this time, you'll hear a beep indicating that the speaker has been reset. The next step is to install the stereo hub. Place the antenna at the back of the unit. Then select the appropriate power cord for your region. It's important to allow the stereo hub to complete its booting process, which takes about 80 seconds. Use the WISA LED on the back of the stereo hub as a guide. The WISA LED will first turn black for 60 seconds. It will then blink for about 20 seconds. When the WISA LED turns off, the stereo hub's starting sequence is complete. We're now going to pair the hub with the remote. The first step is to turn on the remote control. Use the supplied tool to unscrew the cover on the bottom of the remote and insert the batteries. Be sure to insert the batteries with the correct polarity as shown in the illustration. Then close the cover. To pair the remote with the stereo hub, press and hold the pairing button below the WISA LED for 4 seconds. Release the button when the WISA LED starts flashing quickly and briefly press one of the buttons on the remote control. To confirm the pairing, simply test it by pressing different buttons. The WISA LED on the stereo hub will flash. Now we'll show you how to set up your speakers. The label on the back of your speakers tells you where to place them in your listening area. Plug one power cord on one of the speakers. The speaker startup sequence begins. A blue LED will light. Wait for the blue LED to turn off before proceeding with the rest of the installation. To pair the speakers with the hub, press and hold the pair button on one of the speakers for 4 seconds. The status LED will flash orange. Do the same for the second speaker. Then press and release the pair button on your stereo hub. Wait up to 60 seconds for a steady light on the back of the hub and speakers to confirm successful pairing. We'll present to you how to connect Capella to your Wi-Fi network using the Google Home application. This pairing is done over Wi-Fi. Please make sure that your Wi-Fi signal is sufficiently powerful to ensure good transmission of information wirelessly. Launch the application and click Add a device. Select the Google Nest or Partner Device option. Select the home where you want to integrate your speakers. The stereo hub will be automatically detected and paired with it. The application will perform a sound test, so even if you don't hear any sound, click Yes. You'll be able to adjust the sound later in the Triangle Capella application. We recommend that you rename your device to Capella so it can easily be identified within your home network. Select your home Wi-Fi and enter the password if necessary. Be careful not to misspell your password or you'll need to uninstall and reinstall the Google Home application and restart the pairing process. The device will now connect to your Wi-Fi network, and once pairing is complete, you'll be able to stream music on your speakers using AirPlay or Chromecast. After a complete reset, you'll need to assign the correct stereo channel to the Capella speakers. Download the Triangle Capella app, available for iOS and Android. Your system will appear in the Capella app if you've previously paired it to your Wi-Fi via Google Home. Go to the center panel where you can adjust your speakers. Pinch and hold one of the two speakers in the upper left corner. It will emit a white noise to help you identify which speaker is selected. Identify the speaker position and place it on the appropriate channel, in our example, the right channel. Please note that the left and right channels of your Capella system can be assigned by remote control. This procedure is the subject of a separate guide. Next, open your favorite streaming application and select the music you want to listen to. At the bottom of the music application, you'll find an icon to stream your music on your speakers. Depending on the device you're using, you'll be able to choose between either Chromecast or AirPlay if you have an Apple phone or tablet. It's possible to automatically calibrate your speakers to match with your listening room. A complete and detailed procedure is available in the Triangle Capella application video guide. You connect any type of wired source to your stereo hub, such as HDMI, RCA, or even USB. You can switch sources using either the remote control or the front panel of the Capella application. You'll find all our Capella guides and tutorials on the trianglehifi.com website on the Capella support page. You'll find many articles to help you set up and manage your system. If you have any questions, you can contact our customer service by using the chat icon at the bottom right of the web page, or by phone during business hours in France, or with the contact form. We recommend that you make an appointment with an advisor at a time of your choice by filling the form.